I believe you don't want a motorcycle of your own. Don't you love to fiddle fart around with stuff? Hey bikers. Well, this is going to be a little different because I've had a couple old fashions. But I'm going to install my Mosko Moto side bags, panniers. And the racks are over here. It's my empty glass. We were watching the solar eclipse. What day is it today?
8th.
April 8th. We watched the total eclipse here in Waterloo, Ontario. So I think I got everything I need. The hardware came with the racks. We're going to install them on the 2023 Triumph Tiger Rally Explorer. Sweet scramblers just out there for credit. All right, let's. It seems pretty easy. We're going to loosen those two torque screws back, and the rack takes up this space, and then a spacer goes in here. And then I think we take these two off here. I know there's lots of this online already, but not while we're under the influence of a solar eclipse. So take that, MoskoMoto. All right, that side's on. It was pretty simple. Don't forget to use blue Loctite, medium strength. Little spacers in there. That seems secure, so I'm going to go around the other side and slap it on. All right, second side is on, also very easy. You know, simple screws, little spacer. I didn't torque everything down yet on either side because I got to put the back brace across here, and you never know when you got to wiggle just a little bit to get it to fit just right. All right, so the framework is all on. These are Outback Motor Techs. I think they say they're for Rally Pro, but of course they'll work for the Rally Explorer, as evidenced right here. So I'm going to now work on sizing up and positioning the MoskoMoto pannier bags. There's the hardware for those, and I won't use them very often, but they'll be ready to go when I need them. There's my mother-in-law. She's not even as big as the bike. She's adorable. All right, day's project is done. Got the MoskoMoto bags on. Really happy with how that went. Man, they are rugged. They are there for the long haul. I put the 25 liter on the right, 35 liter on the left. I think that gives me ample storage for what I'm going to do. I got a Lone Rider tent. See if I might camp once in a while. But yeah. Those mounted pretty easy. Quite pleased with how it turned out. I'll show you how I put the brackets on. Decided on that kind of an angle, kind of parallel with all the lines of the bike. We'll see how it works once I put some weight in them, but I think it looks good. All I have to do now is plan a trip.